What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears down here at the Cruisin Ocean City event in Ocean City, Maryland, where I drop a video a day for all 4 days of the event. This is going to be video number 3 in this series. We also do giveaways in every single video, so make sure you go back to the previous 2 videos and check out what we gave away. First video, we gave away a fleece. Second video, we gave away Bangin Gears baseball cap. And in this video as well, we're going to give away another Bangin Gears baseball cap and Bangin Gears COVID-19 mask. Like I said in every video so far, hopefully we don't need the mask anymore, but you never know, rather be safe than sorry. So, because we're giving away a hat this time, Sunday's video, a little sneak peek ahead, we're going to be giving away another fleece. So make sure you watch that video in the morning before you go home, or maybe even on your ride home. To win the gear, you needed to subscribe to the channel on YouTube, like and comment on the video, and all the winners of all the videos will be announced in a YouTube video on May 28th. And also, if you have a moment, check out our new Facebook group called the Bangin Gears Garage. I'll put the link on the screen. Also put a clickable version of that link in the video description. So it was another beautiful day here in Ocean City. I think we hit a high of 85. It's been a gorgeous week so far. No rain in sight. So enjoy your day today. We'll see you at the inlet or at the convention center. Enjoy the video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.
Sing for me sweet lullabies. Bright nights, I'm never